What's up everybody? Today I've got Balenciaga Track 2s. This is a quick unboxing / comparison to the first tracks. So here I've got Track 2, open sneaker, beige and black. These are woman's size. This is the box. Let's see the presentation. You've got 2 spare laces, a nice dust bag, smells good. Nothing else in here. So these are in size 4 UK, 37 European and 7 USA. Made in China. There you go. Pretty sick colorway. I'll show you some details. These are like $800, 820, 50, which is 615 pounds. So pretty expensive shoes. So the tone, it says Track 2, Balenciaga logo here, Balenciaga logo at the back. BB on the front, Balenciaga on the sole, and the plastic plate here. This is gonna shine on the sun for sure. This is like a mirror plastic piece here. And also, look at this, there is holes, so it's quite dangerous to wear them in the winter time. Look at this. So you have to look which kind of socks you're wearing, because everyone's gonna see it. Let's quickly compare to Track 1s. So this is the back, as you can see. There is no more track at the back. Inside, this is from the top. As you can see, there is no more European size here in the front. Balenciaga Track 2. The lacing system, there's 2 pairs of lacing here. There's one on this side, which is Track 2. Inside is a lot thinner, whereas here there is a lot. So guys, let me know which one you like more. These were released last year in September. These were released this June 2019. So if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, because why not? And I will see you next time. Peace.